Couple Nintendo Switches. Let me show you what's going on. We have one broken SD card connector and two broken SD card connectors. So that's what we'll be dealing with on these two. I'm going to need to disassemble these all the way down to the board level. We'll do them one at a time and replace the connectors and go from there. For your orientation purposes, we'll be working on side B in this area of the board on both boards. We have the board out of the housing and we're preparing to remove our SD card connector while I'm setting up my equipment. Fill up my expected temperatures for this job. These temperatures are brought to you by the Amazon Associate links in the description. If you head to my video description and click on one of these links and buy any of this equipment, or if you buy anything during that session, a small portion of that purchase will go to supporting the channel. And I greatly appreciate you. It won't cost you an extra dime. And we will be heating from below because, as you can see around the connector, there are lots of plastic connectors. Joy-Con and backlight. For this one, I am using brand new connectors. Looks like it slid right into place there. Everything looks great on that side. Everything looks connected on this side. That one does not appear to be soldered. That's okay. We'll touch it up. Oops. There's a little more movement than I wanted. I think we got it. And yes, we got it. Excellent. We'll clean it up. We'll put it back in the housing. We'll plug a SD card reader to it. And I'll throw in my unformatted SD card to make sure it just picks it up. That's about all the testing I can do on it. But we'll make sure it picks it up and go from there. And just in case anybody's concerned about the parts on the other side of the board, as long as you do not make physical contact with the board while you're flowing in, bump it in any way, everything will be fine. Surface tension is your friend. We're ready to power it up. Hopefully I won't get any rude surprises like no power. Let's crack open our SD card. And that's the error I'm looking for. Excellent. One down, one to go. We have our second board out of the housing and we're ready for round two. Same method as before. Clean pull. Slid right into place. Excellent. Looks all connected on that side. And all connected on that side. Excellent. Actually, that second pin down on this side is a little bit loose, so we'll touch it up real quick. We definitely got it that time. Excellent. Okay, I know we got it all connected, but it's a little misaligned on the other side, so I'm going to give it another quick tap. That's much better. And the other side still looks great. Next step is to thoroughly clean the board, clean off the connector, and test with an SD card reader. And again, no problems on the other side of the board. I hope this video is being helpful to you in your repair journey. Just a reminder, if this is something beyond what you want to try yourself, I do offer these services. Just head over to micromage.repair, click free quote, fill out the form, and I'll get back to you personally. Again, hoping we don't have any additional problems. Let's plug it in. Why am I not seeing anything on screen? Alright, let me disassemble and make sure everything is plugged in correctly and not destroyed. I'm going to do some quick fault finding on this side of the board, see if there is anything shorted. There shouldn't be. These will be the zones we're testing in. Let's just see if anything's faulty. Should have one side of this should be ground. There we go. Just going to rush through this. I think this may be a case of a modified switch. I'm not detecting any faults. Just check and see if it's in RCM. As you can see, we are actually in RCM. I took the opportunity to charge the battery externally, and that is why we're not getting any activity. The battery was extremely dead, so that is that. If you got value out of this video, I think you'll get value out of this one, and I'll see you there.